Hey everybody, Christopher Small here from Building a Law Firm, and I hope you're having a great day. It's a little cloudy, everybody else is cold. I'm ready for summer. I don't know if you are, but that's not why we're here. Today, I'm excited to talk to you about hopefully something that you are experiencing and something that you are thinking about. And that is, I've been making some of these videos that you're talking about all the time. I've been putting my stuff out there and people are actually starting to watch it. And that's great, I feel good. But now what, right? Now what do I do now that people are actually seeing my videos and watching my videos? What am I supposed to do? And I'm gonna tell you, and the answer might be a little bit surprising to you. But one of the things that we sort of do often is sort of jump the gun. There's this saying, don't put the cart before the horse. There's don't count your chickens before they're hatched. I don't know. There's a whole bunch of other things that we say that kind of apply here, and really sort of taking the right approach at this point in time is what's going to make all the difference in the world to you and how you have short-term and long-term success. Okay. So first of all, when it comes to, hopefully you've been just making videos consistently over a little bit of time, and now you're seeing some people are watching them. You got YouTube stats, or you've got Facebook video stats, or I don't know, you've got some sort of a pixel on your website so they can tell you who's been looking at your stuff or whatever. And now you can see you got some people watching your stuff, and that's exciting. One of the things that tells you is that your message or your topics are resonating with people, okay? Which is important to know. If no one is watching your videos, then that might mean that people just aren't interested in that topic. And so that's okay. The solution that I'm going to tell you, or what I'm going to tell you to do next, whether you have a lot of video views or no video views, it's all the same, okay? Particularly at the beginning. So here's what you got to do. And it's not going to sound very exciting and very fun, but it's going to get you a tremendous amount of success, okay? So let's say you made 5 videos, you're looking at your stats, now you got a couple hundred views on a couple videos, you're feeling good about yourself, you're thinking to yourself, okay, great. When do they back up the money truck to my office? And when do the clients start lining up at the door? When do I need security to sort of monitor the in and out of my office? And the answer is you still have some time, okay? But the thing to do next that everybody should do, even myself at this point in time, is pretty simple. Are you ready? Make more videos. That's the answer. Just keep cranking them out. If you're doing it every day, keep doing it every day. If you're doing them every week, keep doing them every week. If you're doing Facebook Lives like this, just keep doing it. Keep making more and more and more. That is sort of the short-term solution. And here's why. People know these days how to find you if they want, okay? You don't need to have an opt-in. You don't need to have a link to your website. You don't need to have anything. So for example, those of you that are watching this video, whether you're probably watching on Facebook, maybe you're watching on YouTube, it doesn't matter. If you like what I'm saying and sort of want more, you know how to find me, right? It's pretty simple. It's called GOOGLE. You just Google me and you'll find me, right? You Google Building a Law Firm, obviously it comes up. You Google Christopher Small, I'll come up with some other people, but I'll be there somewhere. You can find me. And your potential clients are gonna do the same thing. Okay, what's most important, I think, at this point when you're making these videos is to make sure that you don't get too salesy, that you don't get too pushy. Remember, the whole point of these videos is to create a bond with your people, to actually help them out, to provide value, to give them something with nothing expected in return, okay? Now, feel free at some point in time if you want, in the middle, probably not at the end, and as naturally as it can come, to let them know, like, hey, if you want to work with me more, if you have more questions, if you want to join the back room, you can always go to buildingalawfirm.com/go, right? You can always sort of work that in there just like that. It's not salesy, it's not a call to action, you're not telling people to do anything right now. It's just like, hey, if you do want some more, come and see me, okay? That's gonna be the solution in the next step in this sort of iteration of you making these videos and getting them out to the world. Because you need more content. You can literally not have too much content, and I don't want you to get in the habit of finding and seeing these video stats which may or may not be misleading, which may or may not be watched by your actual potential clients, and fall into the trap of getting lazy and not doing the things that need to be done to really, really build up your brand and really get the kind of people into your office that you want. And the way to do that, again, if you've been seeing success with your videos, is to create more videos. That's it. And by the way, get comfortable with this because you're going to be doing it as long as you can, okay? And hopefully, by the way, if you really like what you're doing, if you're excited about it, if you have any passion for it at all, after you start doing some of these videos, you're gonna start to like them. You're gonna start to have fun with them, and they're gonna become kind of exciting and a good part of your day. Like for me, this is super refreshing. I get to turn this on. I get to like talk shop, you know? I get to sort of like just let these things out of my brain that are in there, and I know that I'm helping you all at the same time because I'm literally just telling you what I'm doing with my own firm. Now, I will tell you this, by the way, if you've waited all the way till the end, that's freaking awesome. There is a next level to what happens, okay? There is a next step where you're going to take specific action and do some specific things to really help people find their way into your office and help them find their way to being your clients. Okay, so we're not just making these videos forever and putting them out there with no back end, with no sort of strategy behind it. There is a strategy behind it, but the key, the first step, the glue that holds all of this together is continuing to create content consistently for a long period of time, okay? And as I sort of talk more about this process in the future, I think you're gonna see why that's so important. Not only will it just keep things fresh for your potential clients and the people that find you, but it's going to provide you some ways to continue to sort of poke and sort of dip your toe in the water out there and put your fish in the line, your hook in the line, and see what kind of fish jump on there. Okay, so if you're having good success with your videos, keep making more videos, and then just stay tuned because I'm gonna probably tell you more about how to do this maybe tomorrow. Okay. As always, if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you have a comment, please leave a comment. If you didn't like it, tell me. If you disagree with me, tell me. If you know someone that could use this content and that would find it helpful, please share it with them. If you just like it enough that you want to share it yourself, hit the share button. That'd be fantastic. But in any event, thank you for your time. Thanks for being here. And I'm Christopher Small, building a law firm, and I will talk to you again tomorrow. See ya.